I'll be assembling the onion ring box card. I have already inked several of my onion rings. So I'm using Jumbo Java, and for the inside ring I'm using my ink pad. My cat is meowing at my door. And that's just so that I can reach inside. So I'm just doing a little bit, just getting right there on the inside. For the outside of my rings, I'm using my dauber. So I don't want it to be too dark, but I do want my rings to look like that they're a little bit toasty, a little bit fried. And I apologize for any kitchen noise you hear. Sounds like my husband is in there, probably cooking up a masterpiece. I call it bachelor food. Okay. So I'm going to try, I think, to pop some of my rings. We'll see how that works. Hopefully it's not too bad. So the insert with the 4 rings is the back, and the insert with the 3 is the front. I think I'm going to pop up one on the opposite of each side. So for this one, I'm going to do the top one flat. I might have my ring on there the wrong way. Let me see. It's not exactly symmetrical. Okay. Then I'm going to, I have to cut my squares a little, maybe just in half. The cat is really talking. So the rings are slightly bigger on one side, so just take a moment before you glue them on to make sure you have them in the right direction. Since this card only has 2 layers, I think it'll be okay to add a little bit of dimension with the rings. I don't think that's going too overboard. These foam squares I get at Dollar Tree. They're in the hardware section. But I have noticed that Dollar Tree has started carrying some foam tape also in their craft section. It's a little bit different than these squares. Yeah. Okay, I like that. And then we've got the front. So one. going to pop one. There we go. Then I'm going to pop the top one. So I have to cut these to fit. There. So now this is our box card. There is a liner for the back piece. So I think I'm gonna ink this a little bit too. And I'm gonna put it in before I put my inserts in. About time for me to wash my tip, so it's been giving me a little bit of trouble with this one. So you just want to, there's a little bit of a border, so you just want to kind of eyeball that. And then we're going to put our inserts in. The back one first. And this you want to bring up to the top to line it up. Because of the curve in the bottom, it does not go all the way to the bottom. Okay. So you can see here, it's not going all the way to the bottom. So just be careful to line it up to the top. I put it in Cricut. Try that again. There we go. This time I have it all the way against there, so it's straight. And now we're just going to attach these to the other side. and close it up. Hold it both ways. There we go. Now we have our circle for our sentiment. And there is our onion ring box card. Thank you.